So, those, and those. Nice, let's make one. Oh, I saw you were about to put that comment down below. Yes, I do have links to all of the hardware down below, so if you'd like to make these, you can do that yourself. But thank you for the comment, that does help. Bye. So 8 inches, just a hair over 16. Inches. And 3/4. So that's how high up it needs to come. It needs to come in 3/8, that far. By 5/8. There. So we need 1/4 and 1/4. There we go, 15 degrees. Just like it's supposed to. Bill. No, it's not going to work. That's not going to work. Okay, so that's the point that this one needs to be. There and there. There we go. So now I can thread this in to there, and this one in, and turn this one in. Two of them should now give me some roll on them. Okay. Except I need to get that one in there first. these will fit on. Down to somewhere around there. So now we need to drill little number 33 holes through the steel, which means that I need to get the devil-possessed yellow brace out. Yeah, that bit's not going to do it. I broke the drill bit. Now what in the world am I going to finish these with? I have no idea. Had to make up a whole other batch of this stuff for this. Gonna need quite a bit of it. Now we start to wipe off. Then we can apply the paste waxes. There you have it. These are actually a kit from Tay Tools, and I really like them. It was a full set of 2 of each size, and you get all the way from the 6 inches all the way up to the 12-inch, and they are really, really cool vices. The measurement is actually the length of the jaw, not the spread, although the spread is actually pretty close to the measurement there. They're really nice to have, and I have a lot of other ones up on my ceiling as well. This is just going to add to the collection. And hand clamps are one of those things that you just can never have enough of. I mean, any type of clamp. I've had several times where every single clamp in the shop has been in use and I need one more. Yeah, having more clamps is always a good thing, and when you can make them yourself, it's just that much more fun. It's a really simple kit with all the hardware you need. You can go through it and follow all the measurements. Really affordable price too, so I really like these. I'll leave a link to all of that down below. So if you did like this, if you have any comments, if you have any thoughts, snide remarks, let me know those down below. Putting comments down below there does help out the channel, as well as hitting like and sharing. Thank you for that. That means a lot. But everyone scrolling over the side, they are the true stars here. They are the sponsors on Patreon. Without patrons on Patreon, this channel wouldn't exist, as well as members here on the channel who've clicked the little join button down below. Members and patrons are the ones that keep us going, so thank you for that. We're not sponsored by anyone other than you, the viewers. If you like that, then think about supporting the channel. You can go down below, find out about Patreon, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. We do have special perks for both, so thank you. I think that'll do it for now, and until next time, have a wonderful day. One can never have enough clamps.